It's been a long time since I did an unboxing, and I've accumulated a lot of packages again. These are all the wonderful things I've bought recently. Let's take a look together. The 16 Kiku Peach Blossom Coffee Cup. I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. It's a very unique gradient pink, and the glaze color and texture are excellent. The porcelain is also warm and smooth, giving a feeling of being surrounded by peach blossoms. It's perfect as a gift for yourself or a female friend, and it would also be great for Mother's Day. I also bought their mug, which is equally beautiful. The orange color is very bright and cheerful. Using it to drink water in the office every day should make my mood better. Summer is here, so I repurchased this sunscreen. It's a brand our kids have been using since they were little. It's a macromolecular pure physical sunscreen, so there's no need to worry about skin damage, and the skin feel is amazing. The texture is just like a face cream, non-greasy and breathable, and the SPF 37 protection is just right. It's also waterproof and sweat resistant. Usually, when the kids play outdoors or at the beach, I don't have to worry about them getting tanned or sunburned, because the ingredients are so good. Even kids with sensitive skin can use it. I also repurchased their face cream, which contains half a bottle of rosé hydrosol. It's incredibly easy to use and has great moisturizing effects. I've been shopping at this store for many years, and I bought a bunch of things from them again. This is a handmade glass vase, with creamy yellow blending into blue and pink. It comes with a soft focus filter effect, and it looks beautiful even without flowers. I also bought the new Frozen series, which looks like glaciers melted into cups. This size of cup feels perfect for tea. The plates also have a misty texture, and they will look like works of art when holding desserts or fruits. I also bought this yogurt bowl and spoon. Using the set feels so ceremonial. I bought 6 Asobu animal insulated cups at once. There's a reason they're popular. They are ridiculously cute. The 3D tops are soft and fluffy. Simply adorable. The key is that they are also very practical, with large 460 milliliters and small 200 milliliter sizes. And they come with straws. The 3-layer vacuum stainless steel liner provides excellent heat and cold retention. Cow, rabbit, fox, elephant, koala, every single one is incredibly cute. It also comes with a cute cup sleeve and a strap. From now on, I'll be in a great mood using them to drink water every day. I'm planning to go on a trip soon, so I bought this large capacity suitcase. The yellow and black color contrast is very eye-catching. The small yellow wheels are super smooth, making it effortless to push. And it's also very quiet. What I love most is the wide handle design, which makes it very stable to push and increases the internal space utilization. Unlike traditional suitcases, there's no bump in the middle. The 3/7 split is very spacious, enough to fit luggage for over 10 days abroad. It has fully enclosed compartments on both sides, so you don't have to worry about things spilling out when opening it. And it even includes a wet storage area. The shell is made of pure PC material, which is wear resistant and scratch resistant, and it's very lightweight. It's simply perfect in terms of both aesthetics and practicality. This is a set of knives for the new kitchen, in a very beautiful creamy white. It comes with a fruit knife, chef's knife, kitchen knife, bone chopper, kitchen shears, sharpener, peeler, and alloy chopsticks. All kitchen tools are included. The handles are ergonomically designed for a very comfortable grip. Made of German precision steel, it's sharp and rust resistant, making cutting vegetables and meat effortless and handy. The base allows for integrated storage, looking simple and high-end. It also features a maternal and infant-grade full cabin drying and disinfection function, providing 360-degree sterilization. It's very reassuring to use. This is a Korean-style stainless steel milk pot, very thick and integrated, food grade 304. The quality is very good. I specifically chose one with